Let's do a special feature tutorial here on how to operate a Lulzbot 3D printer. I've got Darren here, Anthony. Anthony has drawn up this super cool drawing and we are going to print it out. So can you guys walk me through what you're going to do to actually fabricate this?
So the first step, once you have it all drawn up, is you go to environments in the tabs. And then after that, you go to 3D print.
Oh, and this is just laying out like what does that's the table of the 3D printer.
Yep. And then you go to print options. And then you go, from binary, you go to ASCII 2.
Why is that?
Not 100% sure, just what you do.
Oh, okay.
And then in units, you have to go to millimeter, because that's what the 3D printer reads.
Okay.
And then resolution high.
Do you have to tell it what, like, which, if you're using the Minibot or the Taz, the big one?
Not in this step.
Okay.
And then you just hit OK. And once you got that, then you can just hit the SDL and save it as what you want to save it. And then you're done here. You just transfer that over to a flash drive, and then we'll go over to the 3D printer computer and start there.
Okay, so we're going to transfer that file onto a flash drive and we'll see it at the printer. Okay, here we are with our flash drive and our file on the computer. We've got a different file pulled up at the moment. I guess, what do we need to do next here, Darren?
So we're going to go over to prepare. When there's something on the board, you can right click on it and delete selected model.
Oh, okay.
And it'll go away. You got a clean board. And then you can just open your file. You just find your file you're going to print.
Yep.
Should pull it in there.
Put it on there about the craziest angle you could possibly want.
Apparently, yep. Then you can go over here and rotate it. So like this will move 90 to kind of flat. Decent. Good enough. So then you come over here. We have PLA in the printer, so we have PLA. And then what was the other thing?
Now, PLA is just knowing the plastic type instead of ABS. We're using PLA today.
And then the temperature is at 205 here. And then right here, your diameter, change that to 1.65.
Why do you want that?
That is the diameter of the filament. So it defaults to a bigger size, and then it'll make it really airy and not compacted together.
Gotcha. Okay. And a lot of, does it have that diameter on?
It does not.
It says the temperature, I see, but it doesn't. How do we know the diameter then?
You can just measure it
With a dial caliper
Yep.
or something? Okay.
Yep. So once you got that, we're gonna turn on supports. No, wait, no, we're not. We're not gonna do that. I want to make sure this is good.
This one probably doesn't really need any supports because it's a big flat brick.
And then you just change that to print via USB with the drop down arrow.
Okay.
And you can just hit print via USB. Oops, if it's on.
And this is where we're going to transfer from the flash drive to this little.
We're actually hardwired, so.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, so if we got our, if we're plugged in directly to the laptop, I guess we can just go from there.
Yep.
Otherwise, we'd have to plug this guy in to here and transfer it and then put the chip in here. Okay, easy enough to do.
Wait. And that's about it.
And now it's going to start printing?
Yep.
Okay, so it's just heating up at the moment.
Yep.
All right, cool. We did it.